So today we are going to learn something about the skin whitening creams. Now what are the skin whitening creams and does it differ from skin to skin type, and is it alright if you use the same creams for men and women? In the creams of what we are using for the whitening, you have many kind of formulations, like you have kojic acid, alpha liquorase, and then of course you have malic acid, mandelic acid, and you have sabi white, tiro white, and of course you have citric acid like you have like vitamin C serums, niacinamide, retinol formulations, and then of course you have other kind of herbal formulations which can help you lose your pigmentation. Now out of all these things, you have to understand that these are best tried in combinations, and you should also understand that it is not uniform all over the skin types. For example, in case of oily skin, we prefer to use vitamin C serums, of course with some moisturizer, and then of course we can use the tiro white and other formulations. In amount of dry skins, we prefer to use more amount of kojic acids and azelaic acid formulations. Now these ones we have to titrate it according to the dryness of the skin type. Now a person may have a dry skin on the sides and oily skin on the front of the face. So for those patients also, we change different formulations at different times. Now every season, again and again, we need to change the formulation of those medicines, and then we keep on changing the medicines regularly for the only reason that these medicines can be very addictive for the skin. So supposedly if you have kojic acid and you are using it continuously over a period of 6 months, you will not find the same result as you are changing from kojic acid to tiro white to beta white, silterine, all those things. So all these molecules, when they are being changed, then and then only you will see better results. So for men and women, there are certain differences. For men, you will have more thicker skin when compared to women. And of course, it does not mean that all men will have thicker skins. Some men will have thinner skins than women as well. So you have to choose different combinations for different things. And most commonly, we prefer to use vitamin C serums, we use mandelic acid, we use glycolic acid, we use tiro white, we use beta white, sabi white, all these kind of peptide formulations also we use, and we get far better results in this. And yes, apart from this, we also prefer to use peels and lasers. In peels, we use glycolic acid, mandelic acid, ferulic acid peels and all the other peels. And of course, when you are using the lasers, we use more amount of carbon laser peels and laser toning, which can enhance the skin color and reduce the black color of the skin. And of course, you can also use the IPL photofacial lasers, which can give you far better results than the other procedures. Thank you.
बंदासन धीरे से अपनी बॉडी को आगे लेके आइए. Try to keep your forehead down.